The process of making yarn paper cones in a local factory typically involves several stages of preparation, shaping, and finishing. These cones are primarily used in the textile industry to hold yarns or threads. Below is a step-by-step breakdown of the process. 1. Raw material preparation. Paper rolls, high-quality craft paper or recycled paper is used as the base material for cone making. Adhesive. A strong adhesive is needed for binding the layers of paper together. 2. Cutting the paper. The paper is first cut into the required size and shape for the cone. Depending on the machine, it can be manually or automatically cut into triangular or rectangular pieces. 3. Cone forming process. Mandrel shaping. A cone winding machine wraps the cut paper around a mandrel. The machine spins, and as the paper rotates around the mandrel, it takes the desired cone shape. Layering. Multiple layers of paper may be glued and pressed together to achieve the required thickness and strength. Sealing. The edges of the paper are glued or sealed with adhesive as it is wound into a cone. 4. Drying the cones. After the cone is formed, it is allowed to dry to ensure the adhesive sets properly. Drying may be done naturally or through a heating process in a drying oven to speed up the process. 5. Trimming and shaping. Once dry, the cone is removed from the mandrel. The ends are trimmed to the precise length using a cutting machine to give a uniform finish. 6. Surface finishing. Sanding or polishing. The cone's surface is often smoothed using a sanding process to remove any rough edges or imperfections. Coating. The cones may also be coated with wax or other protective finishes to improve durability, make them water resistant, or enhance the appearance. 7. Inspection and quality control. Each cone is inspected for any defects such as cracks, uneven surfaces, or poor adhesion. Defective cones are discarded or recycled. 8. Packaging. The finished cones are packed in bundles or boxes for transportation and sale. Machinery and tools used. Cone winding machine. Cutting machine. Drying oven. Polishing sanding machine. Glue or adhesive applicators. By following these steps, a local factory can produce high-quality paper cones used for winding yarn in various textile applications.